Hello and welcome to the final summary of our course on AI for financial forecasting and planning. So far, we have learned the foundations of AI in forecasting, data engineering principles, cash flow prediction, demand forecasting, scenario modeling, financial planning and analysis transformation, model validation and explainability, implementation and governance, and tools and case studies. Why this course actually matters? Let's begin with a simple observation. The world of finance has changed dramatically. There was a time when financial forecasting was relatively straightforward. Markets were stable, customer behavior was predictable, economic changes were gradual. Organizations relied on historical trends, spreadsheets, and periodic planning cycles. And for a while, this worked. But today, the environment is very different. We now operate in a world of rapid economic shifts, global interdependencies, real time transactions, and constant uncertainty. Customer behavior changes overnight. Markets react instantly to news. Economic conditions fluctuate unpredictably. And in this environment, traditional forecasting methods struggle. This is where AI becomes crucial. AI allows organizations not just to predict the future, but to adapt to it. And this is what is the core purpose of this course. In the module 1, we discussed about the foundation of this course. The traditional forecasting relies on historical data, linear assumptions, static models, but today's financial systems are dynamic, complex, and interconnected. AI changes the approach by learning patterns from data, capturing nonlinear relationships, adapting to new information. This module helped establish a key idea. Forecasting is no longer about predicting one future. It is about understanding multiple possibilities. The second module focused on data engineering for financial forecasting. In this module, we explored that because AI is only as good as the data it uses, data engineering involves collecting data, cleaning and preparing it, structuring it for analysis. In finance, data comes from transactions, customer behavior, and market indicators. This module emphasized a critical principle. High quality data leads to reliable forecasts. Poor data leads to poor decisions. The third module focused on cash flow prediction using AI. We then focused on cash flow. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any organization. Traditional forecasting struggles with timing, uncertainties, delayed payments, irregular patterns. AI improves this by predicting inflows and outflows, identifying patterns in behavior, and enabling proactive liquidity management. This module highlighted better cash flow forecasting leads to better financial stability. The fourth module focused on demand forecasting for financial institutions. Financial institutions need to predict loan demand, product usage, transaction volumes. AI helps by analyzing customer behavior, identifying trends, adapting to changes. This module showed how forecasting connects directly to customer behavior and strategy. The next module focused on economic scenario modeling and stress testing. Instead of predicting one outcome, organizations must prepare for multiple scenarios. AI enables scenario simulation, stress testing, risk assessment. This module emphasized the future is uncertain, but it can be modeled and prepared for. The sixth module was based on and covered AI in financial planning and analysis. AI is transforming the financial planning and analysis from reporting to strategic advisory. It enables continuous forecasting, real time insights, better decision support. This module showed how CFOs are using AI to drive strategy, not just report performance. In the seventh module, we discussed the model selection, validation, and explainability. Key concepts include model selection, validity, and explainability because in finance, decisions must be accurate but also explainable. This module highlighted trust is as important as accuracy. In the eighth module, we studied the implementation, risks, and governance in AI for financial forecasting. Building models is not enough. They must be implemented, monitored, and governed. Organizations must manage risk, compliance, and performance. This module emphasized successful AI adoption requires strong governance. The ninth module focused on tools, platforms, and real world case studies. We looked upon the practical implementation. We explored tools and platforms, real world case studies, and industry applications. This module connected concepts with real world execution. The final module focused on the future trends and capstone thinking. The future of finance is real time, automated, and AI driven. We are moving toward autonomous finance systems where decisions are continuous, data driven, and intelligent. Let us take a back and look at the bigger picture. This course is not just for forecasting, it is about transformation from static to dynamic, from reactive to predictive, and from manual to intelligent. AI is not replacing the finance professionals, it is enhancing their capabilities. The organizations that succeed in the future will be those that can leverage data effectively, use AI responsibly, and make faster and better decisions. And the professionals who succeed will be those who can understand AI, apply it in business contexts, and think strategically. The future of finance is not just about numbers, it is about insight, foresight, and intelligent decision making. Thank you.